I'm Kerry Webb with BGS Blue Collar Blueprint, and we're discussing the 7 steps to blue collar business growth. Today's topic is step number 6: track your scorecard. You should be able to tell me how your business is performing in 5 minutes or less, not by looking at your bank account, but by looking at your scorecard. Your calls, bookings, service revenue, your average ticket, your daily truck revenue, your leads, your sales, your gross profit, your net profit. Then make it simple. Green means we're on target, yellow means it needs attention, red means we're off target. Your scorecard tells you where to coach, where to make changes, and where you're winning. Because what gets measured gets managed. Stop running your business by a gut feeling. Start running it by the numbers. I'm Kerry Webb with BGS Blue Collar Blueprint, here to help you any way I can build your business, build your team, build your life. If you watched to the end, please like and subscribe to this video. I love helping blue collar business owners grow your business. Over the last 2 decades, I've helped over 300 companies in more than 30 states across the US and Canada. I'm a trusted guide and I bring a proven process. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about business, and I would be delighted to share some of the success strategies and skills that can help your team perform at a premier level. Email me, Kerry@bgsbluecollarblueprint.com. Build your business, build your team, build your life.